Welcome! Get ready to look at the world around you with fresh eyes. We're about to embark on a journey of creativity and sustainability, starting right in your very own home. Take a peek in your recycling bin. What do you see? See those plastic bottles, neatly stacked or perhaps a little jumbled? And bags? The ones you brought your groceries home in? We use them once, often without a second thought, then toss them, contributing to the ever-growing waste stream. But what if their story didn't end there, in the depths of a landfill? What if we could give them a second act? Imagine turning that rubbish, that discarded plastic, into something beautiful, functional, and completely unique for your home. Think vases, organizers, even stunning art pieces. Your bin is actually a secret stash of art supplies, a treasure trove waiting to be unlocked. Clear bottles, perfect for letting light shine through. Green ones, adding a touch of nature-inspired color. Sturdy milk jugs ready to be transformed into something strong and reliable, each with creative potential just waiting to be unleashed. It's not just about saving landfill space. It's about reducing our environmental footprint. It's about the joy of making something unique and personal with your own hands, giving new life to something old. Next time you're about to throw something away, pause. Take a moment to really look at it. Could it become a little bit of magic, a spark of creativity brought to life? It's cheaper than buying new decor. It's better for the planet, reducing waste and conserving resources. And way more fun than aimlessly shopping for something mass-produced. So let's rescue that plastic, unleash our inner artists, and get creative. Let's dive into the world of crafting, starting with something simple and readily available: plastic bottles. My personal favorite project is transforming them into a charming DIY planter. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of green to your space. First, take a clean bottle and carefully cut it in half, creating two separate sections. Next, unleash your inner artist and paint it with your favorite colors. Get creative with patterns and designs. Don't forget to poke a few drainage holes in the bottom to ensure your plant thrives. Finally, add some soil, plant your favorite succulent or flower, and you're done. A beautiful upcycled planter. Or, if you're feeling generous, make a delightful bird feeder to attract feathered friends to your garden. Simply poke wooden spoons through the bottle to create perches and feeding spots for the birds. Then, fill the bottle with birdseed, ensuring a constant supply for your little visitors. Find a sturdy tree branch, hang it up securely, and watch the birds flock to your creation. Feeling fancy and want to take your crafting to the next level? Carefully cut the bottoms off several bottles, making sure the edges are even. Then, melt the edges slightly using a heat tool. Remember to exercise caution and prioritize safety. Finally, glue these bottle-bottom flowers onto a plain paper lantern for a stunning, unique lamp that will brighten any room. Just like that, a discarded bottle is transformed into a beautiful planter, ready to house your favorite plants. Or a welcoming bird cafe, providing nourishment and shelter for your local wildlife. Or even a designer light fixture, adding a touch of elegance and sustainability to your home decor. It's all about tapping into your imagination and seeing the potential in everyday objects. And remember, don't worry about achieving absolute perfection. The beauty lies in the handmade charm. The real fun is in the process of creating something truly unique and personal. So, the next time you finish a refreshing drink from a plastic bottle, pause for a moment. Resist the urge to simply toss the bottle into the bin. Instead, consider how you could transform it into something truly amazing and useful. Give it a try and unleash your creativity. You'll be pleasantly surprised at the incredible things you can create with a little imagination and a humble plastic bottle. Now let's tackle that drawer, or maybe even a cupboard overflowing with plastic bags. We all have one, don't we? A chaotic collection of grocery bags, shopping bags, and who knows where they came from bags. Instead of letting them languish, turn them into plarn, plastic yarn. It's surprisingly easy. Simply cut the bags into strips and then loop them together to create a continuous strand of surprisingly durable and versatile material. Knit, crochet, or weave your plarn into sturdy waterproof baskets. These aren't just any baskets, they're a testament to your resourcefulness and creativity. They're perfect for storage, adding a pop of color to any room, or even as unique and eco-friendly plant pots. Mix bag colors for cool patterns. Get creative with your color combinations to make truly unique designs. Every basket helps keep plastic out of landfills and, more importantly, out of the sea, where it can cause so much harm to marine life. For extra fun and a touch of bling, transform bottle tops and other small plastic bits into eye-catching jewelry. Cut, sand, and thread them into unique necklaces or earrings. These aren't your average accessories, they're conversation starters. Layer colors or melt pieces for marbled effects, carefully. Always ensure proper ventilation and adult supervision when melting plastic. There are no rules, just play and experiment with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Your rubbish becomes your treasure, transformed into something beautiful and wearable. And your style is guaranteed to be one of a kind, reflecting your personality and commitment to sustainability. Make a bold statement that's both stylish and kind to the earth. Show the world that you care, one upcycled piece at a time. Recycling is great, but upcycling is even better. Instead of sending plastic to a factory, you give it new life at home, saving energy and reducing waste. Make a planter, collect colorful tops, and start seeing your rubbish as creative gold. All you need are scissors, glue, and a bit of imagination. Every upcycled piece is one less item polluting our world. You're not just crafting, you're making a real difference. Turn waste into wonder and create a home that's beautiful and kind. Let's get crafting and help the planet, one plastic bottle at a time. You've got this.